Imagine your child is just walking to school or playing outside and suddenly a stray dog attacks on him. These incidents are increasing day by day across the country. Now, the Supreme Court has made a big and strict statement on stray dogs. And the entire nation is talking about it now. The number of stray and aggressive dogs around us has increased a lot in the recent years. Almost every day we hear about children, elderly people or common citizens getting beaten or attacked by the stray dogs. Now the Supreme Court of India has given a very important statement on this issue. The court clearly said that the safety of people is on the top priority. According to the Supreme Court, stray dogs should be removed from the crowded public places like schools, colleges, hospitals, railway stations, and bus stands. The court also said that in cases where dogs are extremely dangerous or infected with diseases like rabies, authorities should even consider euthanasia through the injection. This statement came during the hearing of a petition that requested the court to rethink its earlier order on stray dogs. But the bench, led by Justice Vikram Nath, rejected the petition and refused to give an relief to animal welfare groups. The court also asked a very strong question. It said if NGO and animal lovers are protecting the stray dogs, then should they also take responsibility when these dogs attack innocent people? The court further said that if people are injured because of the dog attacks in a certain area, then the organizations supporting those dogs should also face legal and financial responsibility of that. After this statement, many animal rights organizations expressed anger and disagreement to this scenario. Animal rights activist Manika Gandhi also criticized the court's stand. She said earlier court orders were never properly implemented by the local authorities. According to her, cities failed to build proper shelters for stray dogs and no serious action was taken to manage the problem properly. Now the debate has become bigger. On one side, people says animals have the right to live and deserve protection. But on the other side, common citizens and small children also deserve to feel safe while walking on the streets. Now, after the Supreme Court's strict remarks, all eyes are on the government and the local administration. What will the results come out after this? What action will be taken next, and when will the public places finally become safer for everyone? Where we have seen there are two different sides, where one person, like on the one side we see people love, show animal love, like dog lovers, they are most of the people. On other side also, these dog lovers also need protection from the stray dogs which are harmful, which are injuring the persons as well as this children we have seen. Stray dog attacks every day has been seen in the cities. Even we have seen that stray dog attacks are seen in the city just outside the colleges, outside the schools, and as well as outside the railway station. Now we have to see all eyes are on the action that will be taken by the local authorities and what will be the decision regarding the stray dogs in the cities. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjitka from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.